Hello my beautiful friends and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm unboxing my BoxyCharm base box for January. That sounds interesting? You want to see what I got? Stick around. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Eileen. I'm so very glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. Now, in case you're not familiar, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. The base box costs $25 a month, contains 5 full-size beauty items. The average value of base boxes is $175. They do have other boxes. There is a Boxy Premium, which is a larger box, and Boxy Luxe, which is a quarterly upgrade. But this one is our base box, so let's get right into it. Our theme this month is Fresh Start. Perfect theme for the new year. And we do get our list of products with a little bit about them and their manufacturer's suggested retail price. I do, of course, double check those prices in case those products are not currently being sold for the manufacturer's suggested retail price, which does sometimes happen. So I will let you know what I found out about those. And we do get a number down here that used to be a very simple variation number, like you get box number 12 or you got variation number 173. Now it is a much longer number. Mine this time is C2101005-BA. I suspect that the 2101 means January 2021 and that the BA is base, so that tells me that perhaps this is variation 005. I don't know. Let me know what yours variation numbers are. Maybe we can figure out what the code is. But anyway, let's get into it and see what I got in my box this month and what it was worth. So the first thing I see is from Pharmacy, and this is the Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer with Moringa and Papaya. This is an oil-free, silicone-free daily moisturizer that delivers lightweight, lasting hydration while helping to clear pores and reduce shine. This retails for $38. I haven't tried too much from Pharmacy. I've heard some great things. I actually picked up something from Pharmacy in the add-ons, which will be in another video, because I'd heard great things about it. This one, just based on the fact that it is, they talk about it being oil-free, I wonder if this is for, yeah, this is for combination and oily skin. I have combination to dry skin, more dry in the winter, so this may be something that I will pass along to someone else, but I don't know, I'll have to do some research on it and let you know. Next, and I believe this was my choice item for this month, this is from Avant Skincare, and this is the Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water. Infused with replenishing ingredients, Bi-Phase Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Micellar Water works in 2 phases. First, the oil phase, aiming to instantly dissolve resilient and waterproof makeup. Then the micellar water phase works to capture impurities while dissolving makeup from the face, eyes, and lips in one gentle action without rubbing or rinsing. And this retails for $90. So very happy with that. I've heard amazing things about Avant. I have a few things from them that I've been waiting to try, that I have been kind of stockpiling the last couple of months because I was not allowed to change anything up in my skincare routine while I was dealing with some issues with my health. But I've been given the all clear to wear makeup again and to do skincare and all of that. So I'm excited to try this. Next, from Dr. Brandt, this is Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. A hydrating cream that helps diminish signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. I definitely have issues with dark circles and with puffiness, although part of my puffiness is the fact that I still have swelling and things from my surgeries. Actually on both eyes right now, so I'm hoping that my makeup job today disguised some of that. but I certainly am looking forward to trying some things that will help to reduce the puffiness and the wrinkles and all of that sort of stuff. So the current retail product of this, the Do Not Age Triple Peptide Eye Cream, comes in a jar, not a tube, but it's the same amount of product as this, and it retails for $82. So wow. This is a good box. Okay, next from Bali Bomb, this is Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. This is a brand I've never heard of. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma and silky smooth consistency. Sweet orange is packed with vitamin C, which is known to even skin tone and protect against free radicals. Coconut is a natural emollient that moisturizes for soft, supple lips. Mint is refreshingly uplifting, has a gentle plumping effect. This retails for $33. Again, I've never heard of this brand. If you have, let me know. But you know, can never go wrong with a lip balm in the winter. So I'm curious to try that one. And the last item in here is an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Ciate London. This is the Velvet palette, and I love the color in this box. They say that this features a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative powder formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. Let me see if I can get the box open. And again, it's that same kind of mauve color inside, very pretty, and it's metallic on the back. And come on, there you go. Take off the plastic. There is a large mirror here. Those are the shades. So the Velvet to Touch Pink Hues, Pigment-Laden Burn Embers, and Shimmer-Packed Rose Golds. Make this a palette for all occasions and skin tones, taking you from day to night in an instant. And the MSRP on this is $30. This is very me, very me. It is a little warm. There are some shades, I should say, that are a little warm, but I really like this. I think this will be fantastic for the spring, especially. But yeah, I'm not unhappy even a little bit with that. There was another palette, I want to say Violet Voss, but I could be wrong about that, in olives. That was the other option that I believe you're getting, one or the other. I would have been happy with either one, but yeah, I am pretty happy with this one. So that's my base box for January. Can you believe it? I can't believe we're in January already. As I said, the box cost $25, and the average value of a base box is supposed to be over $175. Total retail value, I got $273. I'm kind of blown away this month. And I'm not sure if this is going up first or my premium, but if you compare this to my premium box, it's kind of like they got the labels wrong, because this is way more premium than my premium box. Much more excited about this one than that one, so if you haven't seen that one already, or if it's not up yet, be looking for it. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't already. And remember, life is uncertain. Add extra sparkle. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe, be kind to yourself, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.